So here we are on my Twitter profile, and this video is all about a good question that I was asked last week. And the question was, Mark, can you actually add hashtags to your Twitter bio section? So the Twitter bio section is the top bit here that I'm highlighting now in blue. Can we actually add hashtags to that section? And if we can, would it actually be a good idea? So I'm going to answer two of those questions in this video. Now I'm going to click the edit button, and I'm actually showing you this here on my desktop computer only because it's got a larger screen and it's going to be easier for everyone to see. So I've clicked the edit, and I'm going to now add a hashtag in front of the word Twitter. I'm going to add a hashtag in front of the word Instagram, and I'm going to add a hashtag in front of the word Facebook. So let's do that and press save. And I've refreshed the screen, and yes, you can actually add hashtags to your Twitter bio section, so they become now a clickable hyperlink, and if people click on them, it will take them to all the references on Twitter, that have that hashtag. But the second part of the question is it actually a good idea? And the answer to that one is it's not actually a good idea to be adding hashtags to your Twitter bio section. So hashtags are designed for when people use the search function up here at the top. So if I was to go in and use the search function hashtag Twitter, it's going to bring me up all the Twitter tags that have that hashtag in it. So you don't necessarily want to be bringing up your own bio. The idea of hashtags is you're searching for individual tweets that have that hashtag. So including hashtags within your bio section is not necessarily best practice. Now, because if someone now is to click on this hashtag in my bio, it's going to take people off straight away to all the hashtags that have, Facebook hashtag or Instagram hashtag, Twitter hashtag. Well, you don't want to be taking them necessarily away straight away from your Twitter profile. Now, the only way or the only reason that you may want to include a hashtag in your bio, if it was your company name, something like that. And I've actually included my company name as a hashtag. So if someone does click on that, it's still going to loop around back to me. So yes, you can include hashtags in your Twitter bio. It's not the best practice and things to do. And the only reason that you would want to be looking at that is maybe if you have an upcoming event or a special trade show or promotion or that type of thing, you might then want to include your own business hashtag name.